Hello everyone, welcome to the series of delicious and mouth-watering burgers. I hope you guys are doing great. We hope that you like the grilled chicken burger that we posted last week. Today we are going to prepare an absolutely delicious pulled BBQ chicken burger. These shredded chicken burgers work for any time of the year, and slow cooker recipes are one of the top requests here on our channel. It's easy and goddamn delicious. It's a combination of great flavors like cabbage, other fresh vegetables, cheese, and of course the delicious pulled BBQ chicken. Surely you will love it. So what are you waiting for? Mrs. Yummy, can you please join us and start preparing the burger on my instructions? Firstly, in your cooking pot, add 1 glass of water. One huge chicken breast. With one breast piece, you can easily prepare 2 burgers. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. I always like using garlic paste because it helps to get rid of the smell of chicken or meat. Now add 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt as per your taste. Now place the lid on the cooking pot and turn to high heat for the shredded chicken to be done in 30 to 40 minutes. And make sure when you take out this chicken breast, there is no water in the pot. The chicken must absorb all the water. Meanwhile, we will prepare our vegetables. For vegetables, we need cabbage. Of course, you can take other cabbage as well, but since we will be adding mayonnaise, so the combination of purple and white will surely look good. So let's chop the cabbage first. Make sure you chop evenly so it looks good. Now in the bowl, combine the chopped cabbage with a pinch of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Now mix it properly. There is one more thing that we will put on top of the shredded chicken and coleslaw, and that is a salad. So our salad needs onion, tomato and cucumber. So let's chop the onion first. Now tomatoes, and make sure you remove the seeds. finally, let's slice the cucumber in the square shape. Now in the bowl, first add our chopped tomatoes, now onions and chopped cucumber, and lastly season it with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now take your time to mix it properly. So our salad is ready. Now let's go back and take a look at our chicken. Wow, yummy! Look at this delicious chicken breast. But as you can see, there is still water in the pot, and that needs to be absorbed completely by the chicken breast. Our delicious juicy chicken breast is completely cooked. Now Mrs. Yummy will help us to shred this chicken breast. I would advise you to take your time and shred it properly, because the reason behind this burger is that when it goes in your mouth, it must dissolve in your mouth and leave the yummy taste in your mind. So our chicken is shredded. Now we will put this in a beautiful yellow bowl, and now add 2 tablespoons of BBQ sauce and mix it properly. Before we start assembling this burger, I would like to request you to like this video and comment and let us know your feedback. And don't forget to subscribe to this yummy channel and press the bell icon so you get all the notifications of the latest video from this yummy channel. Now the moment of truth. The moment to assemble the second burger of this Yumitizer burger series. Are you ready? No? I don't care, because I am ready to assemble this burger and I am craving for calories right now. Okay, this bun is homemade and you can get the recipe down in the description. First, we will spread heaping spoonful of coleslaw. Now spread the delicious BBQ shredded chicken on top of coleslaw. Now spread the salad. Lastly, put a slice of cheese. That's it. Oh my god, this burger looks mouth-watering. You can't go wrong. I speak from experience. You could have a soft drink alongside it too, but I'd rather skip the soft drink and go for a second shredded BBQ pulled chicken burger. Why drink my calories when I can eat them? So folks, signing off. See you in the next delicious recipe. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye bye.